If you've ever had a toothache, you know it feels like your whole head is pulsing in pain. You'd trade your Netflix password for relief. But before you raid the medicine cabinet, you might want to check your spice rack, because today we're talking about cloves, that tiny kitchen spice that's actually a powerhouse natural painkiller for dental pain. Stick around. I'll show you exactly how to use cloves for fast relief and why this ancient remedy might beat some modern painkillers. Cloves have been used for centuries, not just in cooking, but in traditional medicine, especially dentistry. Now, the magic ingredient, it's called eugenol, a natural compound that acts like a built-in anesthetic and antiseptic. That means it numbs pain, kills bacteria, and reduces inflammation all at once. So whether you're dealing with a sharp toothache, sore gums, or post-dental pain, cloves don't just mask the pain, they help calm the root cause. No harsh chemicals, no pharmacy trip, just pure, spicy relief. Okay, let's talk about how to actually use this stuff. Whole cloves. Grab 1 or 2 whole cloves, pop them right on the sore spot, and gently chew to release the oils. Let them sit there, that tingling. That's eugenol at work. Clove oil, the heavy hitter. Just dip a cotton ball or Q-tip in clove oil and apply it directly to your tooth or gums. If it feels too strong, mix it with a little coconut or olive oil first. That'll keep it gentle but effective. Clove powder. No oil, no problem. Mix ground cloves with a drop of water or coconut oil to make a paste, then dab it on the sore spot. Personally, I call this spicy first aid. So, which works best, oil or whole cloves? Well, clove oil acts fast. It's concentrated and great for quick numbing. But whole cloves are slower, gentler, and give steady relief over time. Think of it like this. Clove oil is your instant relief superhero, and whole cloves are your slow burn healer. Science backs it up. Eugenol makes up nearly 90% of clove oil, and studies show it can block pain signals and even fight bacteria that cause gum disease and cavities. But a quick warning, clove oil is strong. Too much can irritate your gum, so use it sparingly and always dilute it if you're new to it. And remember, this is a great temporary fix. If that tooth pain keeps coming back, please go see your dentist. Your smile deserves both nature and science. So there you have it. The humble clove isn't just for your favorite dish. It's a natural dentist in disguise. It numbs pain, fights infection, reduces inflammation, and it's sitting right in your spice cabinet. Try it next time a toothache strikes, but don't forget to follow up with your dentist for long-term care. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend who's suffering from tooth pain, and check out our full playlist on natural pain relief remedies. Stay healthy, stay natural, and keep smiling.